Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about zip ties. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's a great time. Just go ahead and click that little red button right down there. And when it turns gray, push that little bell next to it, and then you'll get notified whenever I post a video. All right, zip ties. We all know what zip ties are, right? There are a lot of different types of zip ties. There's big fat ones, about that fat and about up to 4 feet long. I've seen them that long. And then the ones, the little skinny ones that are only about that long that they use in wiring, phone boxes and little wiring boxes to keep the bundles of wire all nice and neat. There are zip ties you can use to secure snow fencing to the T-posts or whatever. But there's a million and two uses for zip ties. So it's always good to have a good assortment. Whatever zip ties you use, the size you use the most of, that's probably what you want to stock the most of. But you don't want to forget some of the other size, even if it's just one of the little small bundles about that big around and about that long, the small ones, or some of the bigger bundles of the bigger ones. You can get them just about anywhere. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, Ace Hardware. Every hardware store carries them. So get yourself some zip ties in your most common sizes that you use, because you never know when you're going to need one. And I think that just wraps it up for zip ties. They're, like I said, 1,000,002 uses. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on prepping and building up your supplies. All right. Take care.